How to create good passwords. No, wait. Scratch that. How to create good passphrases. Let's talk briefly about the history of passwords. The Romans used them. Speakeasies used them. But the modern use of the password was in the early 60s at MIT. Ever since, people have been frustrated trying to remember their passwords. And now with phones and their tiny keyboards, it's even worse. We all know why passwords are important. They give you access to all kinds of data, computers, networks, etc. We use them on all of our devices. Hopefully today, I can help make passwords easy, secure, and effective. For most people, we've been typing on computers for years. We have trained ourselves to type words. Lots of words. Lots and lots of words. And while I've been told by at least one person that said that they were running out of words, I think we have a good selection to go around. So let's use that to our advantage. Here's an easy way to create a good password that's easy to use. Imagine yourself sitting in your bedroom. Pick out 5 things. Put these words together, leave in the spaces, and you've got a great password. It's easy to type on a keyboard, even on your phone. And it's actually really secure. Because I would rather you be here than here. If you have any questions, please contact us at our website, utulsa.edu/itsecurity, or at our email address, itsecurity@utulsa.edu. Thanks.